There, how are you? If you have curly lashes like mine, putting on false lashes becomes a battle for you, and drawing your wing liner becomes a mess. If you're like me, and tricks for you. But before further ado, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and let's do this, girl. I'm going to be showing you some of the equipments we're going to be using in this tutorial, and the first one is your false lashes. You have a choice for any false lash you want. Secondly, we need glue. This is a hair bond. I'm going to be using hair bond, but you can use any eyelash glue you have. Secondly, we need mascara, but this is optional. Mascara is optional. We need a spoolie brush. We need eyeliner. We need eyelash color, and this is a must for those with curly lashes. We need a scissor, a pair of scissors, and we need a pair of tweezers. So if you're ready with that, so let's begin with the video. Like this. Yep, like this, to uncurl our lashes. This is the only trick you can use. This is magic. This is your magic if you're having curly lashes. So you're going to be using a small mirror. Look down and place this at your lashes, looking down. Press in for at least 5 or 3 minutes. Keep doing it up to when you see your lashes are straight. And make this like look down, and then again you press, and automatically our lashes are straight. In a wing liner, so draw a straight line at the corner of your eye, and after, look down and drag it. And after doing that, we need to fill it up. You see, it's very easy. Choosing for beginners, use a tweezer, but I'm more free using my bare hands. So look down and first measure. If it's big and it's passing your eye, you can cut it, but I think this is my size, so I'm not going to cut it. Need to apply at the tip of your false lash and behind of it, and after, we need it to first like dry, to be a bit sticky. So we're going to give it like a minute to dry. And after, again, if you're a beginner, use a tweezer, but I'm going to use my hands. Look down and place it at the middle of your eye first. And then come at the edge and add so it's easy like that. And we're going to use a tweezer to add our false lash with our natural lashes. I'm done putting on the other lash, and that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video, and tell a friend to tell a friend that this is the right channel to be too. I love you. Stay safe, wash your hands, sanitize, and keep a social distance. Tonsemberera.